Careful.
Yes.
Hands on, right? Don't press. Careful. Don't be afraid, Arena. Just go straight. Straight. I said straight.
Straight? Okay, this way?
What do you think I mean by straight, Arena? Eyes in front, always. Let's go. Can you do it? Ambare. Job. Good job. Did she tell you to wait here?
Yeah. Aren't we going to Asami? I don't know. Aren't we going to eat something? Daddy, what are we going to eat again?
What?
Ramen. Oh, ramen.
Careful, Arena. On the side, please.
Are we going? Are we going up?
No, not so far.
Aren't we going to eat ramen?
Like seriously, Tom. Push her, Arena. Push. Don't get frustrated. Okay, take your time. Why can't you keep it straight? Okay, now you can ride.
Okay, but there's a slope there.
Not where the road, please. I can't stop you like that. Careful.
Oh, ramen. And there was drinking. Lincoln?
Gusto mga fish.
Lincoln? Lincoln? Look what it, where no, it's not going to bother anyone. Luva, where's my friend? They just go inside there. Down. Ah, Lincoln no casa anda.
Grazie.
Lincoln 있다 너.
No, Miss Topsy, so unfortunately. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Park the bike.
Ci pitanic. Mama nisi.
Huh?
Ah, okay na di.
Yeah. Naman ni
Diba? Which way?
We need to go back.
Oh, I know that place.
No man na kami ako sana ko sa to.
Lincoln 있잖아 하나. Hurry, Mama, let's go.
I don't know where to go.
When you shoot, I do not like when you shoot. What the heck?
What is
Let's go Arena, right.
Right. Okay.
Hayak, hayak.
Okay.
They kidding, no?
Eh.
No.